These are human beings. They are a species of primate. Like all life on Earth, their bodies developed from microorganisms. Due to their simplicity, microorganisms are the most successful forms of life on Earth. Each human body contains 100 trillion cells. Of those 100 trillion cells, 90 trillion are microorganisms. The remaining 10 trillion cells form one of the Earth's most intelligent animals. Their brain has been evolving for 4 billion years. The earliest signs of notable intellect began after 3,999,990,000 years of evolution. They have recorded their own history for roughly 5,500 years of evolution. This historical record, a collection of experiences, analyses, and thoughts from a small number of humans, is like a collective brain for the species, changing continuously like the neural connections in a brain as it gathers and analyzes new sensory data. That sentence contained an analogy. An analogy is a linguistic technique which conveys information about one subject by comparing it to another. An analogy uses the human brain's propensity for abstract thought. Abstract thought is the process of sorting new and recorded sensory information to extract a specific meaning, a meaning separate from current sensory data. Animals function in their environment through the intake and analysis of sensory data. This data, once sorted and consciously perceived, is called reality. Each species has a unique set of senses, and each individual's brain is uniquely adept at the intake and processing of their sensory input. Humans call this singular perceived reality the self. Many humans base their intellectual reality on the collective brain of their species. But this collective brain, their historical record, is limited by the intellectual capacity of the humans who create it. Their historical self-appraisal is overinflated by their technological accomplishments. They do not view their species as animal. Self-importance is natural for any creature. But when this arrogance is combined with human technological abilities, the result is the first species with the capacity to destroy its own ecosystem. Humans are the only species to understand the concept of extinction. They are the only animal that has single-handedly caused the extinction of other species. When a human kills another human, it is called homicide. When a human kills itself, it is called suicide. When a species goes extinct because it is unable to adapt to the conditions of its existence, It is called natural selection. Human beings are the first animals with the ability to consciously guide their own evolution. If the human brain is unable to adapt to its current reality, their species will become the first recorded case of self-extinction. The Earth will not mourn their disappearance, nor will it rejoice. It will continue its evolution.